Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can restore tabs after a Google Chrome crash and also how you can prevent this from happening again. All right, let's begin. First, open up Chrome on your Windows, click over here, the three dots. Then go to History, open History page, right? Then since the crash just recently happened, you can easily navigate through your history and click on those specific websites you would like to recover, all right? You also have the dates in here, so it's actually pretty manageable. And like for example, you can enter keywords over here on the search field, for example, YouTube. Then you can now go ahead manually navigate through which websites you would like to go back, right? Now, in order to prevent this from happening again, since Chrome is quite unpredictable, you can go on the three dots, click over here, settings. On the left panel, click on startups. Make sure you select this option, continue where you left off. So that means whenever there's a sudden crash, anything that happens, whenever you restart Chrome, all of the all tabs that you recently opened will still appear there, right? And basically, that's it. Is how you can easily get this done. Hopefully, your tabs are back and you can continue where you left off to avoid losing any important tabs in the future. All right, do this option. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.